दीवार की अपनी कहानी है, कहते हैं ना दीवारें भी बातें करती हैं।
अब मैंने इससे बातें की और उसने मेरी बातें सुनी, because I was like, Amtul, this has to be the perfect grey
ये
wall.
ग्रे जो है ना, achieving this grey is so tough because it's like the raw concrete feel, but explaining it to a painter is very tough. That you're like, dude, I want you to paint it, but it should feel like you've not painted it, and they're like,
They all thought I was nuts. I think everybody who's worked with me now thinks I'm nuts, but even he's nodding behind the camera.
yes.
And this painting
And then
has been given to us by my mom.
she has painted this.
The orange really stood out to us.
Yeah, it's a perfect splash of color on this
On
grey
this grey
wall.
Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you, auntie.
And now it comes to our kitchen. So yeah, we were again nice matte black granite top. We wanted to match all our appliances, black and grey.
Black is
silver,
black, grey.
matte silver. The fun story about this is that we actually made the kitchen and didn't even measure our fridge. So we had a lot of sleepless nights because the carpenter was like,
imagine this was made, and you're like, okay, we have no idea if the fridge is gonna fit because counter बन चुका है,
बहुत stressful था.
cabinets बन चुकी है, and
we only wanted a silver fridge. I was like, there should be no other fridge other than silver. This is the only silver fridge in the market, and I was like, बस send the fridge over, we'll figure it out. And the carpenter was like, ये फिर से कटेगा, ये फिर से बनेगा.
It was very stressful.
Yeah, it was very stressful, but when it came, it fit in like it was made
gloves, like a glove. But there was one problem; it was a little short. And then you can see
then
we had
we
to
raised
do
it.
one jugaad. We were like, okay, let's add a plank of wood ताकि it aligns with this.
This amazing carving has a lot of story behind it. This is Amtul's dad's first wood carving, which he started
In lockdown
last year. So we actually got this for our anniversary as a bouquet, and then we opened it
Last year for our first anniversary. Yeah.
So
basically, this is a tree from my parents' house, and this tree was kind of like dying. So my dad cleaned it up and chopped off some branches, and then jo leftover ye tha, and he's like, okay, what do I do with this? And he just started carving, and this beautiful old wise man came out of his carving, and yeah.
Very inspired by it. Every time we take out food, he judges us like, आज क्या खा रहे हो आप? आज क्या खा रहे हो? और सबसे पहला कमरा हमारे इस ऑफिस में जहाँ सबसे ज़्यादा कंटेंट बना. This room was made before everything else.
Yep.
Just like Talha in this. Talha हमारे साथ शुरू से हैं. अगर आप हमारे पहले वाली कहानी व्लॉग्स देखते होंगे तो तला पीछे होता था, और जब जगह नहीं होती थी तो तला उसके भी पीछे होता था या वो पीछे भाग जाता था. But this was the first room. This is our editing station, which is where me and Tala spend most of our time, where sometimes we pretend to work. But yeah, this desk was how I got Talha. This is how I enticed him. He was working somewhere else. I was like, Tala, एक दिन आएगा जब तुम्हें फोन करूँगा और कहूँगा तुम्हारा डेस्क तैयार है. And so I did that. I first sent him a picture of the desk, and then I called him. I said, Tala,
it's ready.
तुम्हारा डेस्क तैयार है. He said, मैं बस आ रहा हूँ. And that was it. That was it. And now Tala's been with us for the last
3 years.
3 years. And I've known Tala for 4 years. So it's been pretty amazing. And we've shot so much. I have so many memories here.
Yeah. There was a time when all 3 of us were just cramped in this room. Me, Tala and Fahad, because the other part of the office wasn't ready. And us 3 were just here creating.
We have our Mackeys, which are good studio monitors. We have a wireless charger which is inside this, where you can put your phone and charge it. We put a TV screen here because we wanted to view stuff, but at the same time we also, when want to chill out, we stay the night, we want to watch a show.
This is
we used it a lot in lockdown actually, so it worked out for us. Talha, okay, I want to tell you something. Talha loves these. Okay, there's this.
He's a big toy lover, as you can see.
There's this.
There was another one.
There was a
where
little
the
lizard
little
as
guy
well.
go, the yellow guy.
I banished the lizard, but I think it's still there. But Tala's very big on these toys. He doesn't let us let
That's
go of
his
them.
personality that he brings in.
So he's like, ये जो है ना, he comes and he's always like, don't mess with me. Yeah.
And then these are the propaganda posters from Vietnam.
Yeah. I stopped at a place in Vietnam and I found them. And I was like, this is perfect. It says, make tea, not war. Make art, not war. It's a very peaceful place, despite our arguments that have happened here. Look at that. Look at that. We made special space for this. This is a new addition to our corner. We were the winner.
And Taha, the one behind the camera,
Who helped
actually
us.
made this happen for
Red
us.
Bull home run costume winners. We're very proud of that, so we popped it up here. Then we got this Red Bull fridge. And this is our massive flex, Red Bull fridge. This is another editing station for us. This is a smaller version of that same desk.
Sometimes Fahad sits here, nowadays Taha sits here. आपको लग रहा होगा कि ऑफिस खत्म हो गया, लेकिन अभी बहुत कुछ बाकी है.
200 रुपए दे और 50 रुपए कट ओवर एक्टिंग के वजह.
Welcome to the studio, to the Patangir studio where we shot not as much as I hoped we would have.
Yeah, actually, yeah, that's very
I was
funny.
about to say,
we
like,
thought
we
we
shot so
would
much
shoot
here.
here a lot,
Not
but
that much.
I don't know why we have.
We were
Very
still like,
underutilized.
it is an underutilized room for us, but if you see up above you, we created a grid. This grid was made specifically so that we could, hang our lights, and we wouldn't have to have tripods. So we do that a lot when we do shoot here. We hang our lights. We put our mics up there if we need to, and we got these cushion covers from Nepal. Amtal was like, these are so cute. I need them right now.
Yeah,
So,
I love them.
Yeah,
They're a little expensive.
in the middle of our backpacking trip, we decided that we need to get these, and I'm so glad we did because they're so good looking. And हमारा एक बड़ा problem, बड़ा पुराना मसला है. When we're traveling, we tend to be very cheap.
Conjuice.
And then
जो बात है.
जो हम जब वापस आते हैं ना, हम छोटी सी भी चीजें लेकर आते हैं. Always regret.
Like यार हमने ये क्यों नहीं लिया, हमने वो क्यों नहीं लिया, because we see things and we love them. And then we're just like,
नहीं बाद में लेंगे, and
Yeah.
then we never get them, and then we regret it. So now we are trying to be active about, like, when we like something, buy it. Guess who got these?
this is our custom made metal
cut.
laser cut world map.
Yes, as Amtul said, we found it online. Yeah, it was not available, so we traced it.
Online भी बहुत ही महंगा मिल गया.
$300 का हुआ.
We were like,
नहीं भाई, ये नहीं होने वाला. तो फिर हमने खुद डिजाइन करा उसको, और फिर इसको भेज के यहाँ लोकल किसी बंदे को ढूंढ
लेजर
के
कट कराया.
लेजर कट करा के, अगर आपको ये मैप चाहिए, हम इसको वेरी सून अपने पर्च स्टोर पे डाल देंगे. So stay tuned because that's the only place where you'll find it. Stay tuned because that's the only place where you'll.
फहद भाई पर्च कब आएगी पर्च?
That comes down to the desk area is Amtul's domain.
again,
This is where the deals are cracked.
this is where
No,
I sit on my phone, my laptop.
deals are not cracked here, okay? Because when Amtul's on her phone, she's always walking around the whole office. Ji! Ha! Okay, done.
Anyway, so this is also again solid real wood. We haven't polished it or stained it. It's the real wood color.
Yes, if you guys didn't know, it's real. Amtul said it.
Yeah. ये अच्छी अच्छी चेयर्स है हमारी. देखिए ये भी ग्रे डार्क ग्रे चेयर्स. ये कहाँ से ली थी हमने? They're very good looking chairs and very comfortable also.
मैं नहीं बताऊंगा आप लोगों को. sorry.
Index, right?
नहीं, habit से.
Habit.
Why
And
habit?
ये offices से ली थी हमने. Very comfortable. बैठ के दिखाएं फान.
जी बिल्कुल. So comfortable.
हाँ जी.
Are we giving them free advertising?
It's okay. मुझे लोग पूछेंगे कहाँ से ली तो बता देते हैं. ये स्पीच बबल है जो फहद ने अपने हाथ से बनाया और फिर वो उन्होंने कट आउट किया.
Yeah, literally made it with my hand and then they cut it out.
Sorry, it's a little dirty. I have to clean it. I have some notes written and.
Amtul has now ditched this and now taken over the outside whiteboard. I've seen this slow encroachment and now.
No. Actually, no, that's not true. This board is for my personal projects and the outside door is for Patangir projects. So you will not see Patangir work on this.
Well, I can't really understand any of that, but it's fine.
ये शेल्फ है. ये भी खुद बनवाया है हमने काला.
बहुत
इसके
ही
अंदर
शदीद गंदा हुआ है लेकिन.
It's गंदा नहीं हुआ हुआ. These are my things. These are my collectibles.
No,
you
I
know.
meant like this.
हाँ तो उसी मिट्टी चिपकी हुई है It's okay.
और देखिए हम सच भी दिखाते हैं.
हाँ नहीं मिट्टी लगी हुई है साफ नहीं हुआ कोई बात नहीं बट हाँ ये सब मेरी चीज़ें हैं इसमें you know like candles and frames and mugs. Now it's time to show
मैं बता
the wall
मैं-
of this
मैं
room.
बताता हूँ.
The wall.
It's called a flex wall. This is our camera gear wall which has everything. This is basically जो हमारे जिंदगी की मेहनत है ना वो इस दीवार पे है. We have
This is all real.
This- yeah.
We actually use.
Yeah, we all use
They're
it.
not props.
I'm having severe OCD right now because my
अच्छा,
camera
show
is
the wall.
missing.
Show the wall.
So
Right.
my camera is missing.
क्योंकि वो रिकॉर्ड
रिकॉर्ड हो रहा है. My A7S3.
ये कैमरे का बस ये रखा
हाँ कैप. हमारा ऑडियो के आधे मसले इसकी ही वजह से हुए थे. तो जो लोग कहते हैं फिक्स योर ऑडियो, it was just because I was too cheap to put 10,000 rupees more into getting this mic. That mic that's also on the camera right now. ये हमारा सबसे पहला ड्रोन था and I'll never get rid of this drone because we got a GoPro first which is right here.
The
This is
first camera ever.
the first camera ever that established the Patangir videos. You can see it. सबसे पहला camera हमारा. This is where I learned how to shoot on when I was young and I was full of ambition, which I still am. I'm full of ambition. I don't know if I'm still young.
You're young, man.
I'm young.
You're young.
Yeah. That's it, man. But yeah, this is where we
And
started
this
from.
is the second camera that we bought.
This room, like अगर आपने अंतुल की videos देखी होंगी, a lot of them we used the backdrops up there to film like her rap videos, her fashion videos. हमारी भी एक video जिसमें content is dying, we use the blue
one.
Yeah.
So it helps us make a makeshift set.
Yeah.
Or you know, put some colored walls at the back, so it helps in shooting.
But yeah, that was the office tour of just the first floor.
Ooh, there's more.
Yeah, there is more.